Dise demanda Lêkera Lîstin. Verb to play with 3 tenses. Kurdish language activities. Deman niha. Present tense, present continuous tense. They both are same in Kurdish language. Hevoken erini. Positive sentences. As dilizim. I am playing. To dilizi. You are playing. Ev dilize. She is playing. He is playing. Am dilizin. We are playing. Hun dilizin. You are playing. Ev dilizin. They are playing. Hevoken neyini. Negative sentences. As nalizim. I am not playing. To nalizi. You are not playing. Ev nalize. She is not playing. He is not playing. Am nalizin. We are not playing. Hun nalizin. You are not playing. Ev nalizin. They are not playing. Dema bori. Past tense. Hevoken erini. Positive sentences. Min list. I played. Te list. You played. We list. We list. She played. He played. Me list. We played. We list. You played. One list. They played. Hevoken neyini. Negative sentences. Min ne list. I did not play. Te ne list. You did not play. We ne list. We ne list. She did not play. He did not play. Me ne list. We did not play. We ne list. You did not play. One ne list. They did not play. Dema be. Future tense. Hevoken erini. Positive sentences. As a belizim. I will play. To ye belizi. You will play. Ewe belize. She will play. He will play. Eme belizin. We will play. Hune belizin. You will play. Ewe belizin. They will play. Hevoken neyini. Negative sentences. Eze nelizim. I will not play. Tu ye nelizi. You will not play. Ewe nelize. She will not play. He will not play. Eme nelizin. We will not play. Hune nelizin. You will not play. Ewe nelizin. They will not play. Spas bo temashakirne. Jkarama khwe abone buine jbir nekin. Thanks for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe. Maybe shopping in the serve. Follow us on Instagram Kurdish Language Activity, Twitter @Kurdish Activity.